Start. Okay, start. In this video, we are discussing about the circles. More important shortcuts, they are coming in for competitive exams. So let me explain one by one. First shortcut is like this. First shortcut, suppose if it is given like this, suppose if the two circles, so number of common tangents, this is a very important shortcut, number of common tangents. First here is, there are the cases, if, so condition and number of tangents, so number of tangents, this is asking so many times, number of tangents. So this shortcut is asking so many times, this formula asking so many times. Suppose C1, C2 equals 2. So that is greater than, that is C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. So number of tangents are 4, means C1, C2. So like this, circles are, C1, C2 are the centers of circles. This is C circle, this is another circle. So right, that is C1 is the centers of the two circles, C1, C2. This is R1 and R2. So R1 and R2 are the radii, C1, C2 are the centers. If C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, number of common tangents are 4. Now, second one is, suppose C1, C2 equals to R1 plus R2, number of common tangents are, so this one is, circle is like this and this circle is like this, they are touch each other, number of common tangents are 3 common tangents, this is number of common tangents are 3. So third condition is, C1, C2 less than R1 plus R2, immediately we are telling about that. What about mod of R1 minus R2? This is mod of R1 minus R2 less than C1, C2 less than R1 plus R2, means the circles, intersecting circles, the circle like this, another circle is like this, intersecting circles. So we are having only 2 common tangents. Intersecting circles having only 2 common tangents. Fourth one is, so right, this is, so mod R1 minus R2 equal to C1, C2. So like this, one circle, another circle like this, touch each other internally, number of common tangents are possible are 1. Suppose, fifth one, suppose mod R1 minus R2 equal to C1, C2, mod R1 minus R2 equal to C1, C2. So one circle lies another circle inside, number of common tangents are 0. This is the very important formula given so many times in competitive exam, CET or JEE. This is very important. 2 circles, number of common tangents. Condition, C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, number of common tangents means the circles do not intersect. So that is C1, C2 are the centers, R1, R2 are the radii. So C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, number of common tangents 4. C1, C2, R1 plus R2 touch each other externally. So number of common tangents are 3. So mod of R1 minus R2 less than R1, C1, C2 less than R1 plus R2, the intersecting circles, only 2 common tangents are possible. So this is mod R1 minus R2 equal to C1, C2, that is one touches other internally, only 1 common tangent is possible. Here mod R1 minus R2, so that is less than, greater than R1 minus C1, C2. In this case, so one circle lies inside the other, no common tangents are possible, number of common tangents are 0. So this is the first formula of the shortcut. Now we are discussing about, so next formula of shortcut is, next formula, what is that formula? We are having, so one more shortcut is like this. If it is given like this, suppose if it is given like this, so one more shortcut is, suppose number of common tangents we are discussing. So right, here is number of common tangents we are having like this. Suppose C1, C2, direct common tangents. C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2, second formula. So that is like this. One circle, another circle is like this. The two circles do not intersect. So four tangents are drawn. So these two tangents, again, this is again four tangents are drawn. This is two direct common tangents and two transverse common tangents. First one is, let me explain that direct common tangent. Where the direct common tangents are intersect, it is called external center of similitude. Where E1 is called external center of similitude, E1 divides centers line C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. This is very important. So E1 is called external center of similitude. So E1 divides the line join C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. That's why E1 is called external center of similitude. Now this is AB. AB is the length of direct common tangent. AB is called length of direct common tangent. Its length is length of direct common tangent. So its length is taken as d square. D is nothing but C1, C2, distance between the centers. D is nothing but distance between the centers C1, C2. It is nothing but d square minus R1 minus R2. This is whole square. This is the formula. Length of direct common tangents. AB equal to length of direct common tangent root of d square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. Next shortcut. If the two circles touch each other externally, this is like this. This is the important concept also asking so many times. AB is the length of, that is, in this case, two circles touch each other externally. D becomes R1 plus R2. Then AB equal to length of direct common tangent. Length of direct common tangent. This is nothing but d square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. Substitute there d as, that is R1 plus R2 whole square minus R1 minus R2 whole square. This gives 4R1 R2, 2 into root of R1 and R2. This formula most useful while solving some typical problems also. So the length of direct common tangent is 2 root of R1 R2 when the two circles touch each other externally. Now while coming to the case 3, next shortcut, fourth shortcut, length of. Suppose what happened if the length of, so we are taking that next shortcut is like this. Next shortcut is the length of transverse common tangent. Transverse common tangent. This is common tangent. So this is nothing but the two circles do not intersect. So circle is like this. This is called transverse common tangent, where this one is called internal center of similitude. So where the transverse common tangent intersect, that is called internal center of similitude. This one is center C1, this is center C2. I1 divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. That is very important. So that is I1 is called internal center of similitude, which divides C1 C2 line in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Now this is AB is called the length of transverse common tangent, length of LTT means length of transverse common tangent. This one is nothing but d square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. So d square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. D is nothing but distance between the centers. D is nothing but distance between the centers. So this is the shortcut, root of d square minus r1 plus r2 whole square. Now coming to the fifth point. Suppose two circles are given, angle between them. So theta is the angle between them. Theta is angle between two circles. Angle between two circles we taken as two circles. Theta equal to cos theta equal to formula d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. This is the shortcut about to find out the angle between the two circles. Sixth one is if theta equals to 90 degrees, the two circles intersect orthogonally. So then what is the condition? So d square equals to r1 square plus r2 square. So d is the distance between the centers, r1 comma r2 are their radii. So d square equal to r1 square plus r2 square, or in G1 G2 also. So in G1 G2 2f1 f2 equal to c1 plus c2. This is also very important shortcut we are using the formula. The two circles cut each other orthogonally. The condition is d square equal to r1 square plus r2 square, or 2g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2 equal to c1 plus c2. So this is about the shortcut. Suppose if given like this, one more concept like this. Suppose I am explaining one more concept. Suppose if concept is, suppose question is like this. Suppose sixth concept is given like this. Two circles, two intersecting circles. Theta is angle between them. So then common chord is length of common chord. So that formula is 2r1 r2 sin theta by root of r1 square plus r2 square plus 2r1 r2 cos theta. This formula is most advantage while solving the problems. In this one, if seventh one, if theta equals to pi by 2, means the two circles cut each other orthogonally, then we can say that length of common chord is nothing but 2r1 r2 by this one 0 root of r1 square. This formula is asking more times in the exam. So theta equals to, when the two circles cut each other orthogonally, a length of common chord is 2r1 r2 by root of r1 square plus r2 square. r1 comma r2 are their radii. So this is about seventh shortcut. Suppose we are discussing about two more shortcuts they are asking for competitive exams. Suppose this is like this. Suppose three equal circles radii same, radii are, all equal, radius must be same. So three equal circles radii are, so touch each other externally, touch each other externally. Means one touches the other two circles externally. Means like this. One circle is like this, another circle is like this, another circle is like this. These circles touch each other externally. So the radius of the radius of smaller circle touches all the circles, all the circles. This is the very important shortcut. This is the smaller circle which touches all the three circles. That is formula 2 minus root 3 by root 3 to r. So this is the formula. Now this is A. So the radius of bigger circle touches all the three. So we are taking the formula, means circle is like this. This is the bigger circle, touches all the three circles. That is nothing but 2 plus root 3 by root 3 into r. So these are the very important shortcut formula. Three equal circles radii r touches each other externally like this. This is radius r, this is radius r, this is radius r. A smaller circle touches all the three. This is the formula 2 minus root 3 by root 3 into r. So the radius of bigger circle touches all the three. That is bigger circle means this is the bigger circle. So that is 2 plus root 3 by r. So let me explain one more last concept, that is last shortcut. The shortcuts are most important to save the time. So that's why you have to more prefer. So to save the time, right? So here suppose right. Suppose so this is the triangle. This is the triangle. A circle lies inside. A circle like this also inside. So that is this is the question. ABC is the equilateral triangle. ABC is the equilateral triangle. In this one, three circles are inside it, touch each other externally, equal circles. This is all circles, three equal circles as shown in the figure. So three equal circles as shown in the figure. Three equal circles as shown in the figure. Then so triangle ABC is equilateral. Then so side of its triangle is, so this is the shortcut formula. So that is 2r into 2 plus root 3, that is r into 4 plus 2 root 3. This is very important shortcut formula we are using. All the three circles are same radii r. So ABC is the equilateral triangle. Then so side of triangle, that is this side BC, and BC this is nothing but r into 4 plus 2 root 3. So these are about the shortcut formulas. Now let me explain some problems in this video. So better to take some problems in this video. So remember that how the problems are solving. So you must know that shortcuts. First you must know the shortcuts. Then solving the problems are easy too, right? Let me explain some problems. First question. So the length of common chord of two circles, the length of common chord of two circles radii is given as 15 and 20. So whose distance between centers is 25. So options given like this: 24, 25, and then now 15 and 20. What is the concept behind this? Suppose d square equal to r1 square plus r2 square. D is given, 25 is given. 25 square equals to r1 square, 15 square plus 20 square. So d square equals to r1 square plus r2 square. Now that is length of common curd equals to. So we are using the formula 2r1 r2 by root of r1 square plus r2 square, that is 2 into r1, that is 15 into 20 by root of, it is nothing but 15 square plus 20 square, that is calculations 2 into 15 into 20 by, this is nothing but 25. So we will get it as 5 3 times, so 5 times, 5 4 times, it is nothing but 24. So first option is the correct option. So one more question, so we are discussing about that. So let me explain one more question like this. Suppose the nearest point on the circle from minus 5 4 to the on the circle from minus 5 4. So minus 5 4, circle is given as x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 this is the given question. So circle is given to you. Options are given like this: 1 1. So second option minus 1 1, third option minus 1 2, fourth option minus 2 2. So this is the question given. So center is nothing but, so that is 3 comma minus 2. If you find out the radius, this is nothing but, point is given minus 5 comma 4. So this distance CP, this is C, so this is P. This distance if you find out, this is nothing but 10. So what is the radius now? Radius is nothing but, given as r is the radius, it is nothing but also root of g square. So that is 9, that is 16, that is 9, this is 9, that is 4 plus 12, it is nothing but 5. So radius is 5, this is 5, this total is 10, this is also 5. So remember that CP distance equals to 10. The distance from here to here is 10. So this is 5. Radius is also 5. So this is the least distance. This is the nearest. This distance is A. A is nothing but midpoint of PC. A is midpoint of PC. Midpoint of PC. It is nothing but minus 5 plus 3 by 2, it is nothing but 4 minus 2 by 2. If you simplify this, we will get it as minus 1 comma 1. So nearest point. So CP we have to find out. Radius subtracting, this distance we are getting 5 5. A becomes the midpoint of PC. So this is the way of solving the nearest point, because PAC. So our collinear points, PC is the distance from P to center C. So right, we are discussing one more question. Suppose question is given like this. So question is given like this. So the image of, this is the very important question, so many times asking this concept, but try to understand. So the image of 3 comma 4, the image of 3 comma 4, 2 comma 3 in line is given 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to plus k into, so plus k into 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0 is. So a circle radius is a circle of radius equal to how much? This is the question asking 1. So that is root 2, root 3. So this is 2. This is the previous JEE Mains question asking like this. Suppose this is passing through, this is one line, this is another line. If you solving these two, so the lines passing through a fixed points. That fixed point is we are getting solving these two lines. So while solving shortcut formula 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So 3x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. Solving for x, that is a shortcut formula b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. C1 A2 minus C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by, so A1 B2 minus A2 B1 using the shortcut formula. So we will get it as 1 comma 2. This is the point 1 comma 2. Suppose 2 comma 3 there. Suppose 2 comma 3. So with respect to one line passing through this, image is like this. Image is like this here. So another line is there, image is like this. So if you joining all that, we will get a circle like this. So the image of passing through that, the locus of all points gives a circle of center 1, 2 and the radius is this one. This is the radius. The distance between 1, 2, comma 2, comma 3, that is the radius. R is nothing but distance between them, root of 2 minus 1 whole square, that is 3 minus 2 whole square, that gives root 2. This is the very important problem. Suppose the image of 2 comma 3 in this line. So a circle of radius, the question is asking a circle of radius. So the so many lines are passing, 2 comma 3 image is here with respect to one line. So another line. So same, all these points lies on a circle with radius. This is fixed point 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This distance is the radius. The radius is nothing but root 2. So let me explain one more question about that, right? So let me explain one more question like this. Suppose the radius of, this is also asking radius of bigger circle touches both coordinate axis and the line. So this is the question 3x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Given as, first option is given as 6, 8, 12 and 10. This is the given question. So 6, 8, 12, 10. The radius of bigger circle touches both the coordinate axis. So this is, the line is like this. So that touches this line and coordinate axis. There must be the two circles. One circle is like this, another circle is like this. So he is asking to find out this bigger radius. Circle touches means all of you know that. This is, center is R comma R. Radius is R. So circle means perpendicular. This is the line given. What is the line given? 3x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. What is the condition? R equal to D. Distance from, it is a tangent condition. This is the tangent condition. What is the tangent condition? R equal to D. The distance from center to the line equals to radius. So R equals to D. So that is 3x, 3R, 4y, 4R. Perpendicular distance from this point to this line minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. This one is, so R equals to, that is 7R minus 12 by 5. So modulus. There are two values, 7R minus 12 by 5 equal to R. From this, so 7r minus 12 equal to 5r. That is 2r equal to 12, r equal to 6. So that is another is suppose 7r minus 12 by 5